Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding what you need: full screen, a window, or a selection, because the keys differ. Make sure your keyboard responds and you know whether screenshots save to desktop or clipboard. This influences the next steps. Once ready, hold Shift-Command-3 for a full screen capture or Shift-Command-4 to begin a selection. If you want a window, press space after Shift-Command-4. You do this to control precision and file placement. It speeds the process and avoids extra editing. Now you perform the precise capture. After Shift-Command-4, click and drag to outline the area. Hold Option to resize from the center or Shift to lock horizontal or vertical movement. If you press space, you switch to window mode. Hover over the window, then click to capture it. When you release the mouse or trackpad, the screenshot is taken, and a floating thumbnail appears in the corner so you can trim or annotate immediately. This saves time and keeps files tidy. Finish by choosing the Save Destination and Sharing method. For more options, open Shift-Command-5 to set a timer, pick a folder, or record the screen. These controls centralize settings. If screenshots fail to save, open the Screenshot app settings and check desktop permissions in System Settings. This is usually why captures vanish. Remember, holding Control with any capture shortcut copies the image to the clipboard instead of saving a file, which helps when you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.